Hello. All right, in this video, we will learn how you can make your Micrologix 1400 as a master and Micro 820 as a slave. So on the left side, I have this Micro 820, and on the right side, I have Micrologix 1400. So let's go to the Micro 820 variable side, and we will here create bool 1. Let me expand this more forward so we can see. Okay, it's gonna be boolean, and dimension I want create boolean of 1 till 5. And if I expand this, you can see I have 5 values. So 5 elements inside this one boolean 1. Another one I'm going to create boolean 2, and dimension I will create 1 till 5 again. This one I will say integer 1, and this will be integer. It will be also element till 5, and another one will be integer number 2. It will be integer as a data type, and dimension will be 5 integers. So as you can see, every integer will have 5 values. Okay, so on the Micro 820 side, you will go to Modbus mapping. Make sure Ethernet side, it will stay pretty much same thing. We never changed anything. But on the Modbus mapping side, you will add, I will add integer value over here, which is integer 1, and I will add integer 2 as well. So over here, as you can see, as an integer 1, it's showing these values. So you can change the values. I want to make sure my integer 1 is my input. So I will put here 30001 and hit enter. It will change the address uses of element 5. Same goes for output. I will put here 40001 and it will change these two. Okay, so only these I want to read into my Micrologix side. So let me just adjust this. Okay. On the other hand, on the Micrologix side, what we will do on the channel configuration, channel 1 Modbus TCP enable. On this channel 1 Modbus, you will put 0 values over here because these are for the slave, but we are making it master. So nothing much we have to do over here. You go to ladder diagram here and write message instruction. So over here, as you can see, message type. So I put here mg9 already here. So what I'm gonna do, mg9:0. So let's put here mg9:0, and inside I will select Modbus TCP, and what I want to read holding registers over here. So data table where I want to put this holding register, which I am reading from here. So I want to put here n7:0. Element, I want to read all element till 5. So 5 elements I want to read from this. And now this is done on this side, right? So over here, let's choose the routing information. For the routing, I have RI10, as you can see over here. So I will use RI10:0. So let's put here RI10:0, and this client, I will put the IP address of my Micro 820, which is 192.168.1.20. Okay, and on this unit identifier, I will put 255. That's all it about in this. Let's go to other side. for this trigger, I want to make sure I'm triggering with B3:0. This is my output. Same way you can read the input side as well, but we will just see only one. I will download it into my PLC. Yes, go online. So N7, I will keep it on top now. And on this side, when I will download it into the PLC, it'll take some time, but once it will be downloaded, we can read. So you download with the project value, yes, you can read all the values which we mapped over here. Now it will ask for if I want to go online with the processor, which I will say yes. Okay, yes. Now over here on top it says connected, and it will show over here as a run. There you go. Okay, now we go to global variables again. Go to, because over here we configured as int number 2, so we will go to global variable integer number 2, and right now all values are 0, so I will put 11 here, put 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now let's trigger this message instruction. As soon as I triggered it, as you can see, I got all the values which are over here. If I put here, let's say 255, 355, and when I trigger this again, it will pull all the values from this micro 820 till to my micro logix 1400, and on this side it will be message done.